Hello everybody, I am Satish Maya, dietitian. Please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Also do like and share. Home remedy for cough. Symptoms of a lot of viral infections like corona start with a dry cough and sore throat. How to manage cough? I am presenting here with an effective herbal gargle. Ingredients required are licorice root powder and sesame oil. Licorice or muletti or Jestamadhu is a flowering plant of bean family. Its scientific name is Glycyrrhiza glabra. It has glycyrrhizin, which is 30 to 40 times sweeter than sugar. It has anti-diabetic, antiviral and antioxidant properties. It acts as a bronchodilator. It has expectorant and decongestant property that helps to fight respiratory infections like cough, bronchitis and asthma. Chewing on licorice sticks is an age-old remedy for sore throat. How to prepare this gargle? It's very simple. Just boil water and add licorice root powder. Keep boiling for 5 minutes. Strain and allow it to cool to a comfortable temperature. For sore throat, normal cough, bronchitis and asthma, you can gargle directly with this decoction. For dry cough, add 5 drops of cold pressed sesame oil to this decoction and do gargle. Use this concoction for gargling 2 to 3 times daily until your symptoms go away.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.